Well, it was a joint project which was formulated by Wantage Town Council, Grove Parish Council, the Ray Collins Trust, and the Chamber of Commerce in Wantage to respond to what we knew was going to be a big problem. A few of the people were very tech savvy, and we had a terrific network of mobile telephones and systems where people could buy things, where people could pay for things, you know, those that had to pay. And we could buy things, and it was a terrific network. It worked really well.
And so is this a support group that is going to carry on?
Well, we see that most of the things we were doing, the prescriptions, you know, getting people's prescriptions, shopping for families that were isolated. We had a Meals on Wheels service as well. We think most of those will be winding down now, but even more important, what's becoming very apparent through notifications from social services and local schools is the need for people that we need to supply food to because of things like losing their jobs, coming off furlough and all those sort of things. Yeah. We think that's probably hasn't hit us as much as it is going to, and we think that will probably continue until about Christmas, December.
Yeah, I think when I've seen similar things around me here, I think everyone is very conscious, and even listening to the statements yesterday that things seem to be going in the right direction, but we will have to be aware that, you know, in 6 months' time, there could be a serious second spike, and, you know, with winter on top. So, and as you say, the effects of redundancies and things. So I think one of the messages I've been hearing is that it's going to be so important to actually, you know, having sort of set up these groups, you know, they may have a bit of a lull, but they may well be needed to really come together again later in the year.
Yes, of course, whereas the group itself, the coronavirus group, might gradually sort of separate. The Ray Collins Trust, which is basically what we call the cash hub, whereby we raise grants, etc. I think that's going to carry on and on. Obviously, what's been happening recently, lots of people have been going back to work, so we have to constantly refresh the volunteers. But at any one moment, you might have about, each week, you might have about 30 or 40 different people.
Incredible. Incredible.
Sections. Well, if you think about it, you know, there's been about 1,900 items of medicine, etc. We've had 1,500 calls, and as I say, several thousand different shops for different individuals, etc.